Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7900. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Forterra tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, you have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.